Okay, so people ask me all the time, Chris, when is it the right time to buy? Because what they're looking at is, are the houses going to go up in value or down in value? That's really what they're asking me. Now, let's go backward to 2008 with the real estate market crashing. What happened? What caused it? Well, we had millions and millions of people buying with what were called negative amortization loans and adjustable rate loans, and basically they were really bad loans. And millions of people bought who really were not qualified to buy these homes because they used, believe it or not, in the industry, we called them liar's loans. If people lied and they put on the application what they made, they just made it up as they went along, and they still got the loan and bought the house. Well, here comes 2008, and we have millions of people in foreclosure. No surprise, right? Just makes sense. Well, all these people were in foreclosure, and at the same time, the economy was terrible. Now, when we went to school, a basic economics course talked about supply and demand. There, all of a sudden, because of these foreclosures, was a very, very high supply of homes with very little demand because people just couldn't qualify because the economy was terrible. So it resulted in all these foreclosures. It resulted in a crash of the real estate market where it went down tremendously. Let's fast forward to today. Let's take a look at what is happening in today's market and going forward into the next decade. First of all, the economy is really, really strong. There are 7 million jobs right now that are unfilled, and unemployment is at the lowest in my entire lifetime. So the economy, despite what some people might say, the economy is actually very strong for the consumer to buy a home. And the supply is very low. So let's take a look at this. We have a low supply and a very high demand. What would that tell you? That would tell you that it's probably a good time to buy because what's happening is the houses are still going up. Low supply, high demand, houses are still going to go up. I don't know if they're going to go up 10% or 15% like they have in the past. Maybe it's going to go up 2% or 5%. But why would you wait and pay 5% more for a house? If you're buying a $300,000 house, that's $15,000. Also, the interest rates, we are in a low interest rate. This is the time to buy. Would you rather buy at 5%, 6%, or would you rather buy in the sub 4% market? I think it's time to take a look and consider that now might be a good time to buy.